Hello, what is up guys? Welcome to a new video. As we all use this kind of cheap servo motor, they most of the time become faulty or get broken, and then we throw it out. But from now on, don't do this. We are gonna make it a useful servo motor. Now let's get into it. First of all, we have to open the servo motor. Let's speed it up. This is the gearbox of this servo. Here is the driver. Now we have to take out this gear. Here you can see a small plastic. You need to cut it out for 360-degree rotation. Here you can see I cut it off. Now let's assemble the gears again. You have to desolder all three wires and solder the positive and negative wire directly to the motor. Now assemble the motor, but you have to note it down that if the driver circuit MOSFET is broken, you can solder the wire directly without removing the circuit. But if not, you have to remove the circuit and solder the positive and negative wire to the motor. Now let's hook it up with a motor driver and a microcontroller to run the servo. I have written a small code to control the servo using serial monitor. You have to set the baud rate to 1,15,200. Here you guys can see the servo is working properly like a gear motor. Thanks for watching. See you guys in another video. Till then, bye bye.